These are my audience members.
Last one.
And?
Will.
And I am Corbin Christopher. Have you ever seen a zombie deer? Yeah, you heard me right, a zombie deer. Well, they're not quite a zombie in the way you think. They're not out for brains, but they are dead and don't know it. See, these zombie deer have something called CWD, and I'm here today to inform you what CWD, or chronic wasting disease, is, how it is spread, and how we manage it. First, what is CWD? CWD is a neurodegenerative disease found in cervids such as deer, elk, moose, etc. CWD is a misfolded prion that triggers abnormal changes such as extreme weight loss, abnormal behavior, and in all cases leads to death. The Theodore Roosevelt Conservation Partnership website states that the first case of CWD was detected in a captive deer in Colorado in 1967. Next, how is CWD spread? CWD is spread through direct transmissions through bodily fluid, such as urine, feces, saliva, and CWD can also live for many years in the environment. It can live in the soil, the vegetation, and even in the water sources of many of these animals. CWD is also greatly spread through carcasses and the movement of them, more or less. So if an infected deer dies or gets shot by a hunter, and that hunter drags the carcass out of the woods, or a wolf or a coyote drags the dead body, then all the land and the vegetation that the body was drug over is now infected too. The website Chronic Wasting Disease, FAQ, states that human movement of captive and even wild deer or animals is our biggest risk at introducing CWD to new areas. Last but not least, management. How do we manage CWD? Well, there is unfortunately no cure nor vaccine yet, but scientists are working on testing what CWD is, how to figure out if we can get a vaccine for it, and even eventually one day a full cure. But until then, all we can do is manage it. The National Deer Association website states that hunters are our biggest form of management for CWD. The hunters in CWD zones get more tags and to kill more deer or cervids to limit the spread of CWD from herd to herd. The website also states that if you are hunting in a CWD zone, you need to get your carcass tested for CWD. That way we as people and scientists know, hey, this is where the CWD is. We need to, raise the hunting in this area so we can help to eliminate the CWD and help to limit the spread. The Wildlife Association has also implemented bans on moving carcasses across state lines to help limit the spread from state to state. In conclusion, CWD is a devastating progressive disease with significant ecological and management implications. The prions are resilient and can live in the environment for many, many years. Hunters are our greatest form of management as of right now because we have no cure nor vaccine. Thank you for your time.